Hello and welcome back to iPhone Made Simple. If you've ever taken a photo on your iPhone and wished it looked a little better, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple things that can instantly improve your photos. You don't need any special apps or photography experience. Section 1. Clean the camera lens. The first tip is surprisingly simple. Give your camera lens a quick wipe before taking photos. A fingerprint on the lens can make photos look blurry or hazy. A soft cloth is all you need. Section 2. Tap to focus. Before taking a photo, tap the part of the screen you want the camera to focus on. Your iPhone will adjust both focus and brightness. This gives immediate improvement. Section 3. Use natural light. Whenever possible, try to use natural light. Stand facing a window. Take photos outdoors. Good light often makes a bigger difference than the camera itself. Section 4. Hold still. A very simple tip. Hold your phone as steady as possible when taking the picture. Even small movements can affect sharpness. You don't need expensive equipment to take better photos. Simple habits like these can make a noticeable difference. I post simple iPhone tips like this each week to make everyday use easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.